Yo, ebusia, yasaba biem, medin edi kinkobia ha edi Fabulous Zone. Mesra we foforo na wo hwa na wa subscribe ya men. Ye nyina nim se Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye ni Great Olympics ehihye so Accra Sports Stadium a ye week 20 Lake Fix channel eba so game ni ko end 0-0 a obi entini anto atena na Kotoko some positive nyoma bia start bia yetimi a pick this season na pese ye mo amunim no ye ka kire mo se Kotoko o hwe performance this season na would you believe say Kotoko consider just 8 goals? Yes, the whole season 20 matches they are considered just 8 goals, which let's say Kotoko defense no the best in the league currently. Opesa Ojili say Alex, the great say Alex Ferguson no can say strikers will win new matches, but defenders will win new trophies. We say no a typical Kotoko team e was no a typical winning team na yenya no. Dey so betimi ahyen the whole season Kotoko more match ma yen share 2 goals and for 2 goals 2 balls into your team maybe see that the whole season, which I said these are positive things that you to keep the core of the team, and next season will be unstoppable, will be unplayable. You best show BNC you're working in one as you see more age more winning honor and also for my and just a team no baby abano your goalkeeper Razak Abelora was that 15 matches were considered just 5 goals 10 clean sheets. Yes, we are outstanding in all the goalkeepers ever league, you know. 15 matches 10 clean sheets were considered just 5 goals and then Razak Abelora and start or no. You goalkeeper Danlad Ibrahim and also and the best player Abra Kim Faisal and Ashgood Siakan one of the best player. So we have Felix Annan, we have a Razak Abelora, we have Danlad Ibrahim, Kwame Ba, 4 goalkeepers we know Chelsea Kotoko for some 5 years, 6 years, 7 years to come, the Yande Bebra goalkeeping game. Now, you share Endra game now. Obiase, we were missing Fabio Gama. Yeah, no question say the final delivery, the final pass, no, na Emma. It's me na the final delivery. Wana, a bit me amma some pass be a de goal, ni beba, ni nyati, ya missing Fabio Gama, but Coach Mariano Barreto say, or no, they were Fabio Gama. So they were Fabio Gama na Ghana League no be a Fabio Gama. But on the best player currently Kotoko no Odema August Okra, one outstanding player man. Coach Mariano Barreto na same after the game na semana all canon. And I think say so far 20 matches Kotoko the first. Don't forget the Nyambo match with Kumasi. Ade obi adwen free so no. Teams no be enjoying the home grounds. Em say ye Kim Faisal, but Kim Faisal o ma Kumasi wi omo nenam omo ko relegation. But Kotoko Nyambo home match. Ye official home grounds no Kotoko Nyambo ball ho. But so ye timi manage the first. Na mo ye na amponsa against o makasa sisi ana obi a edin bo say chale akwa no ntimi nse no. Ntimi nse no nyama na o hyehye to wo team na o build no. 6 players nya collapse, 7 players nya collapse. The Black Stars akasa. Enti no obeden. Enti ya hwe next game. You bet na ha the next 3 matches Kumasi Asante Kotoko else na ye ye born any the point else nya. Na nsema ye kan nyina ebem pepepe. Bekum Chelsea na say show mo. Show mo. Ye ka say the West against Olympics else say draw. Ampa itime kunya sa draw no. Now your next game ye ni Mediama Obuasi. Sa game na 3 points na say ye Gentimi afford to be lose 2 points bia against Mediama I say 3 maximum points no na ultimate G na say 3 matches yagimu 7 points and not just say we are on course because our games we lose and I say tight na we lose no. Until let's hope for the best. Kumasi Asante Kotoko so far so good. Our performance this season no among from person Babylon no mo ye omonki kanko ye dey focus said they did the other Subiri Oka no say remain focused. Let's be focused. Until let's be focused. Now you taking match after match now. You basically are the better channel way so the Fabulous on your ultimate Asante Kotoko fan channel. Mesaka be sorry for now channel you subscribe ya man. Kotoko news be on Sabeka we be no. For porcupines by porcupines.